doing some NEWTOX or Jeuveau for my fellow scowler here, Austin. Austin and I are pretty heavy on our scowls, and everything is pretty much the same in terms of technique and preparation and everything that we do here. And so we're gonna really be comparing the results once they kick in, which usually takes about a few days. So we do 5 injection points for the corrugators. It's a great time for NEWTOX or Jeuveau to come to the market because more and more people your age are getting preventative doses of this to really minimize wrinkles from ever coming in. Great, and actually the lines that we're starting to form are pretty much gone. So this is a perfect example of someone who is doing some preventative treatments to minimize or really eliminate the chance of wrinkles ever coming in. Because once those lines are set in, they're very difficult to remove. We're talking lasers, microneedling, etc. So getting ahead of it with the neuromodulator, NEWTOX, or whatever you're using is really great. Raise your eyebrows for me, please. Good, relax. And then we will finish up here around the eyes. All right, good, relax. Great. All right, all set. So we'll see how it turns out, okay? Look forward to it. Yep.